Hi, this is Rick, Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC, out here on Siesta Key today. And today's job, we're going to be taking this fountain out and replacing the motor in it, and be cleaning up the area around the edges here, raking that up and stuff, get it cleaned up, put the chemicals in there for the clean up some of that muck in there. And that's about it. Hopefully we'll be able to get the cord and everything run. We've got to go, looks like about 75 feet. We've got a 100-foot cord to run underground here. And it looks like about 75 feet that we've got to go over here. You can see here, I just got to be careful because there's a hornet's nest out here that hopefully we're not going to get stung. But today's project right now is to get this fountain going again. Unfortunately, it's just filled with pelican poop and all kinds of other things there. I don't know if I have this far enough away, but so we just want to get that cleaned up, get the motor put in today. Maybe start cleaning up some of this algae here, getting in some of the chemicals and stuff, raking the edge out. So, well, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC over here in Siesta, and we'll talk to you later as soon as we get this finished up. Bye-bye.